good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from at this hour. Today is the 13th of August, 2021. And first of all, before I continue with this video, I just want to state it out there. There's a disclaimer. This video is not about financial advice. It's not about financial advice. So I just want to put it out there before I start this video. It's a disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. Thank you very much. So today, I'm just going to follow up with the last video I did, which was done on Monday. I think on Monday was the 9th of August, 2021. It was about this depression in the market and how you can avoid it. And yes, I'm just going to make sure that this video is not that long. It's a short video, and they have been exposed. So I did a video, posted it on our YouTube, on our Instagram, and on our Facebook channel. So I got a lot of emails and DMs requesting that, oh, if it is fake, so how is it that they can, because normally you see on their phone that they can withdraw and then they can deposit and all that. I said, okay, that is fine. I'm going to do a follow-up video with evidence. So also 2 days ago, I got a DM from a guy in Australia. He's a forex trader, and he went to the what's it called, our website, sent the company an email, and that email was forwarded to my direct email. So I contacted him and we spoke at length. Honestly, the guys here in South Africa, you are giving us a bad name regarding forex in the global stage. Yeah, because after that conversation, the guy told me that they think that all the forex traders in Africa are all scams. They don't know what they are doing. So we spoke at length because the guy went to our Instagram page, because like I said the last time, I do post out signals. I post out chart, I analyze chart, and I detail the chart on what I think is going to happen. And at the end of the week, you go back and you see that it actually happened. So the guy said he went to our Instagram page and actually checked, because our Instagram page is just a new page. I told you guys before, it's a new page, and what's it called, the YouTube and the Facebook, they're all new page. So he said he went to the page and he actually saw that, wow, this guy is really doing something good regarding forex. So that at least changed his mind. That was what prompted him to contact the company, and then we spoke at him. He's a reputable trader in Australia. So we spoke at him. So just please watch this video to the ending. You're going to be shocked what I'm going to be showing you today, so you don't fall into depression with these guys that are flaunting fake MT4 account online just to cajole you, so you can maybe either register, because the reason why they are doing that is either for you to register on their what's it called, their fraudulent academy, or they want you to subscribe to their what's it called, robotic signals and all that. That's the reason why they are doing that. So we spoke at night. The guy also sent me some details, YouTube link that I'm still going to be sharing with you, and then I'm also going to post it on YouTube channel on the comment section, and so you can do and check it yourself, so that you don't fall for this guy, so you are able to focus on what you're doing and be contented with what you're doing, so you don't fall for this fake MT4 guys. There's a lot of links out there that you can go and do your research on your own, and you see that these guys are just playing with your mind. Those kids inside, and they are from South Africa, those guys that they just show you their MT4 on their phone and show you the the account balance and all that. I'm going to show you the live video, the video on YouTube, how they do it and what they use in doing that, so you can see for yourself, so that you can chase these kids out of the forest environment, so they don't give South African and Africa a bad name regarding forest trading. Because I spoke to that guy, he owns a reputable regulated broker in Australia. So that's, I don't want to mention, he founded a reputable regulated broker in Australia that is well known. So we spoke at length, and we are also trying to make a deal with them and all that, because one thing that is very, very demonic and suicidal is for someone to be deceiving himself. Because those kids, they are deceiving themselves. At the end of the day, they are only preying on you that is out there, that you are not contented with what you're doing. They are only preying on you to subscribe to them. That's the money that they use in surviving. Those money that they use in subscribing, because they don't know what they are doing. I told you the last time, if you know what you're doing, come out, analyze the chart, send it out, and at the end of the week, let's come back and see that actually what you did came to pass. Just pardon me, I'm a little bit feverish, and I have flu, so I'm struggling a little bit. So let's go now. What I'm going to do now, let me just, first of all, share the screen, then let's analyze. I'm just going to go through, let's analyze the do a recap on the chart that I sent out on Monday, and let's see actually if everything came to pass, because we posted it on our Instagram page. So I'm going to go to our Instagram page first, then I will show it to you. You can go to our Instagram page and see when it was posted. It was posted on Monday, the 9th of August. So we'll now come back and go now to the live chart and see actually what occurred and how it played out. So just stay tuned. Make sure you watch this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification and like this video. Share it so that we can get these people out of the market. And the guy also showed me a YouTube link. Sent me a YouTube link of someone did what's it called? I don't know, did a shout out and said that these are the 5 youngest, the richest forex trader in South Africa. So 5, and those people, they don't even know what they're doing. The guy showed me, and those guys in Australia, they know what these boys are doing, and it's giving us a bad name in the forex trading community. So let me quickly share it. Let's go now first to the market scan. Let's do a recap, and then we'll come back to this topic, and I will show you the videos and the links where you can also go and visit it and see it for yourself, so you don't say that you can. It's all on YouTube. So I'm going to share the screen now. Let's quickly go. This one of I hope you can see this one of them, but we're going to come back to this. But quickly, let's just go now to our, okay, this is our Instagram page. This is our Instagram handle, the name EGH TLEGINVESTORS. The link is also below, so you can just visit and see it for yourself. We have over 20,000 followers, and we're only following one person. That person is my personal page. So this was the, I'm just going to, let me click on this one. This was the scan that was sent out. It was look, as you can see where my mouse cursor is now, you see it was sent out on the 9th of August 2021. Today is Friday, the 13th of August 2021. This was the scan that was sent out. I'm just trying to see if I can zoom out. If I can't, then I'll just go to this scan that was sent out. You can see for yourself. It was posted on our Instagram page. It wasn't like it was posted. It was posted on Monday, like 4 days ago, because it was posted at about 10 or so. So it's still showing 3 days, but it was posted on. You can just put the marks so that you see on the 9th of August. So I'm just going. Let me see if I can zoom in this. Let me just, okay. Yeah, I can zoom in. I hope you can see this. So this was the scan that was sent out. This was the scan. So our bias was, I don't know if you can, let me just move this one closer. So this was our long position below this. I just said it, and you can see I wanted to do this. This is not the live market. This is just still the scan. So I just wanted you to see, because on our Instagram page is not that pronounced. So, but on this one, this is a little bit better, so you can see very well. So this was our target. This was the chart that I drew downside, and I expected them to take a breather to this side before we can see the momentum to build and take a profit 1, profit 2, and profit 3. But mind you, this profit 3 was just exaggeration. It was just like a bonus, but I actually wanted TP2. Then if we got to TP3, then it was going to be a bonus, but our profit was already locked at TP2. So let's go now to the live market to actually see what occurred. This is on the daily time frame. Okay, here we are now. So this is the live market. As you can see, the market is going on. So that's why I said, if these people said they know what they're doing, let them come out and then do a chart, send it out, then come back. Let's see how it actually went. So now you see where our entry level was, where my mouse cursor is. So we saw a continuation downside to this level where I expected it to take a breather, but it was trying to go hit our TP2, but we needed a momentum. Like, you need to take a breather before we get that momentum to actually hit TP2. So we saw it at this level. Let me just zoom out so you can see it clearly. So we saw a continuation down, then we saw a pullback to actually the level I said is going to. This is not a guesswork. This is what you get when you are able to analyze the market using what's it called, the present data matched with previous data, and you're still hoping for other data that are yet available. Just look at it. This is not a guesswork. I drew this when the candle was still here. Look, you can see now for yourself on the, just take a look at the what's it called, this the date below. If I put my mouse cursor on this candle, the red candle, it shows 9th of August 2021 at 10 a.m. If I put it on this green candle, it shows 9th of August 2021 at 9 a.m. This is on 1 hour time frame. So the candle was here when we drew the chart, analyzed the chart, and sent it out. So now we saw a continuation downside. Then we saw a pullback to actually hit this level that I said. Let me go back to the chart so you can see. You don't say this is okay. Let me go back to the pronounced one. So you see, this was what we drew, then pull back, then now saw it. So let's go now to the live market and see. So we saw a pullback with this candle. Then we saw a fall straight up to hit our TP1. Then we proceeded to eating. Just take a look. Immediately, our profit got locked with this a candle on the level that, because we got out of the market on Tuesday. I'm going to tell you what I also did now. On Tuesday, so on Wednesday, we got out of the market with this candle. Our profit was locked here. You can see for yourself with this candlestick. Let me just increase it so you see. You see, immediately it TP2 and got locked. So we saw a reversal immediately. You see, we saw our profit got locked there, then we saw a reversal immediately down back to where it was coming from to go take a breather again. Then we now saw a flavor, but our profit was already locked here. This is what I did also. When our profit got locked here, I don't normally do this, but I had to take, I saw something on the daily, I went back to the daily time frame and I saw another pattern again that was building. So it gave me a position, a buy position. So I entered the market again, now with a lesser leverage. So I entered the market at this point, that was yesterday, with this candle. the two candles. So I entered it. It almost looked like a tweezer a top, but it wasn't a tweezer top. But if you go to the daily time frame, you are able to see the tweezer bottom. So then we got into the market and we saw a pullback. Then we saw a fall. I got out from the market yesterday at this time, 6 o'clock here, with this candle, this red candle. So I just closed the position because I just wanted to make extra profit, which was good. So we got out from the market here. But what am I saying? What am I trying to say? This was the scan that was sent out on the 9th of August 2021. I sent it out before it actually happened. I told you, you see what I don't get with these guys. What they normally do that I do not understand is this. I've asked them, I said, what are you drawing on the chart? You see, let me just do it. They normally do, I will see like something like this, maybe like this, then like this. I don't know what they are doing. They just want to make you as if they know what they are doing. Like this. Let me just take this one. Something like this. Then they will just make the chart to make sure that they are doing so. After doing this, what are you saying? What did you draw? What are you saying? They just leave it like this, and then they are showing you they are more focused and concerned about their the fake balance on the account. I don't know what you're drawing here. If you go back to I always make sure that my chart is detailed. So even a layman can read it and understand that, okay, look at what this guy is saying. This is what I put the scenarios. I detailed my chart well. There's a lot. Thomas, sir, you put a lot of trend line. Yeah, because I put a lot of trend line because I date it back. I back test a lot, so I know that the trend line that I'm drawing is either meeting up with another pattern that has built up, let's say 2-3 years back or 4 years back. So I make sure that everything is well detailed, that my chart, my line, my trend line is linked to a pattern that has built before in the past. It can even be 5 years back. So I make sure I detail my part so that when I post out, I know what I'm doing. Would there be a reversal? 100% yes, because like the last time I told you, what we're doing on the market is based on probability. But the reason why my probability is stronger than yours is because I'm able to link my probability back to previous data, now merged with current data, and I'm still 100% open for data that are yet unavailable. So that's why my own probability is more better than this kid that are only interested in showing you a demo account that has fake balance. They can't come online and post it. You see, I tell you what I saw. The upward potential is limited by the resistance at this level. I drew it, and it dates back to like 2018. Yeah, there was a pattern I saw. There was a tweezer bottom. Look at where my mark, tweezer bottom invalidated on a daily time frame. I go back to daily time frame, 1 hour time frame, 1 week, 1 month to make sure. That's why you see I have a lot of trend line on my chart so that I know what I'm doing. You see, then the long, this is our position, the long position below 19 with target. Look at it with, let me just, this thing is okay. With long position with target at what? 1.39590. Where is it? This is our first target. 1.0, where is it? 1.8, sorry, 1.3832. This was, yeah, you see? Can you see it now on this trend line? Our first target. Can you see the where my mouse cursor is at the right hand side? Was it 1.38329? This is it. And target 2. Take profit 2 is what? Can this thing just leave this place? Okay. 1.8056. What is it? This thing is. This is the target 2. But this yeah, okay, look at it. It came down 1.8 38056. Look at the TP2. It was supposed to be because of the market is currently trading at this level, so it has to push the target, the trend line back. So you understand that. So look at it. This was our analysis. It's not that this is the live market scan. Let's go back now to the, so you see the target. Look at the target. Our take profit one point. This the scan that was sent out. Our take profit one is 1.38329, which you saw here, and target 2 1.38056, which you saw here. Did we eat it? Oh yes, we did. And then we made our profit. This is just the, I told you we have over 15 live accounts, and all of them are all of them are all live. They are it's giving me issue. Excuse me, sorry, let me just, all of them are all on. We closed some position yesterday, on Wednesday and yesterday. I think they just this the Bitcoin that and Ethereum that is on, and they almost, I can see that we are almost hitting TP on the Bitcoin. So that's the only, by Monday again we'll continue from there. I don't believe in this fake robotic those guys. You can see, you go to our Instagram page. I told you, go to our Instagram. This was what was posted on the 9th of August. This is the chart, this scan. So this is the live market now. We are coming back now after 3 days or 4 days. It was posted on Monday. So this is the live market, and it actually played out just the way I said it was going to play. So this is not a guesswork. You see, this was when this chart was done. We saw a continuation, and I expected you to take a breather, but it was trying to break the protocol and almost hit our TP1 at first, but I wasn't too concerned because I knew it needed a breather to get a good momentum to break through and actually hit our TP. So we now saw a pullback to actually hit this level that I drew with this trend, this line. Then we now saw a continuation down now to hit our TP1, then continue to hit our TP where our profit got locked. Yeah, with this candle, and lately our TP2 got locked here. We saw it now reversal. This is not a guesswork. This is the live market that is going on now. You can see the live market scan. The live market, immediately our TP2 got locked here, because this was supposed to be our TP3, which I just said it was just it was supposed to be a bonus to TP1, TP2. I expected that, okay, maybe we'll have a scenario whereby we hit TP3, but our profit was already locked here. We were not concerned about the TP3. So we got locked out. Immediately the candle got locked out. You can see it for yourself, yeah? With this candlestick, this green candle, you saw it came down and then it made it reversed. Looked at it, well, as if I was the one controlling the market, but no, it was due to back testing. I don't know it all. It was due to back testing back to 2018, that the line was just, so everything went according to plan, and we made profit on this. This is the only scan I sent out. Like I told you, the maximum scan that I sent out on our Instagram page is 2, but I analyzed a lot, because I actually start analyzing from Sunday evening down to Monday. I analyze a lot so we can open different positions on our platform. So we have over like 15 forex trading accounts. So this was what was done, was sent out, and this is the result of and the outcome of what we did. Am I going to show you my account balance? No way. But with this chart now, you can go and tell someone that yes, I made money, and someone will, because look at the chart now. The charts don't lie, but what they show you on the phone, on MT4, fake MT4, are all lies. They are just trying to get your money so that you can come and subscribe, buy their robotic signal, buy their academy. What they don't even know what they do. Is I have asked them, I say, what is this that you put always? You just draw 2 lines. Then you put something like this, then put something, Sometimes they won't go as far and put in anything that they don't know. I don't know what it is. They put something like this. They don't even know what they are calculating. They will not send it out and then show you their live robotic fake for us MT4. So I'm going to just hold on. I'm going to show you now those stuff so you know. So someone said this is the line. This was the tweezer button. This was a trend that was going on. Then there was the tweezer button here that got invalidated. This is the tweezer button that showed the reverse, because using a tweezer button, maybe it will be a topic for another day. The tweezer button or a tweezer top is when you are having a trend that's going to be going on, and then you spot a tweezer. That shows that there's about to be a reversal in the trend. The trend is coming to an end. So this on the daily time frame. So we saw a trend going on, then we spotted the tweezer, and then there was a reversal that said, oh, there's a tweezer here. Now tweezer stands for there's a reversal that's taking place, because even if we had a tweezer, maybe there was maybe the trend is like this. There's no trend here. There's either a downtrend or an uptrend, that then you see a tweezer bottom or a tweezer top appears, then you know that there's a reversal. So that's what people need to know in the market, not just people showing you their account. I don't have that time to come and start teaching people. You can go and do your research yourself. Look for academy. There are now what's it called? Colleges that offers forex trading, even if it's online. This college is a reputable college. Even if you do get the basic knowledge, I don't have that time to come and start teaching this thing. This is the tweezer button here at this level that gave me that this trend is coming to an end. The trend lasted for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. So now also one thing you need to understand is that you need to have patience with the market. That's one thing that many of us don't understand. You need to have patience in the market. When something you are spotting a pattern, especially on the daily time frame, allow it to play out. Then don't force the market. Don't force it. Just allow it to play out. Look for what what you're looking for. Then allow it to play out. Once it plays out, then you are able to now analyze the market with a little bit of confidence that yes, this is the chart that you just saw. Then it played out like that. So this was on the daily time frame, because someone said, I don't understand this tweezer bottom that you said you spotted. Tweezer bottom validated. I don't understand it. I've never heard of it before. So that's what I just showed you now. The tweezer button that was invalidated. So now this will, okay, let's just quickly, I don't normally do this. Maybe on the next video, I won't even bother to go now and start checking. So there was that, you also sent out, we're just quickly going to rush on this one. We also send out picks for the day, like all these people that are on short position that want just to, they are day trader, they just want to trade on a daily basis, that make profit on a daily basis. So I also send out pick for them on a Monday so that they can pick. So this was the pick that was sent out on the daily on Monday as well. This was, you can see the date here on 9th of August 2021. You can see the 9th of August. So I posted, this was a buy position, but I normally post buy and sell position. Buy and sell position. So this was the buy position. It was a US card target at 1.2580. Let's just quickly rush through this now. US card, right? This my picture is deceiving me. US card, okay. This US card, let's just go now to 1 hour time frame. So we just quickly rush through this, and then I'll show you what I wanted to show you, so you don't go and fall into the question with what is going on now in the world. Youth now are all over the internet, so we need to scrub out those guys so that the youth that are coming up won't go and fall into depression trying to please any people that don't even know what they are doing. So this was 9th. It's 9th of August, 9th of August. Okay, this was posted at this level, yeah. So this was when the market was at about 9 o'clock. You can see the mask also, you can see the date below. You can see the date. So it was posted at this level, and our target was, let's just quickly go back, 1.2580 on that. Did we hit 1.2580? 1.25. You see, yeah. Let me just take a trend line. Oh, so let me get horizontal. Let me get a horizontal line. So 1.280 there. Yeah, the TP was hit on that same day at about well, is this 8, 9, 2 o'clock? Okay, yeah, it started that. Okay, yeah, the TP got hit at this level 1.280 and even got additional at about what time? 15. That's 3 o'clock in the afternoon on that same night of August. This was short position. This was one of them US card. You can go on your own chart and check it out. Did we hit the TP on the short position that I sent out? Yes, 1.280 to even go to as far as 1.2893. So which one? The other one was what? Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin USD, did we hit 45 on that same day? Bitcoin USD. Did we hit when was it on the 9th? Yes, 9, 6 o'clock, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this was it. Did we hit 45? Oh yes, we did on that same day. This was 45 at this level. Let's just put it here. When was that? At about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh, sorry. Yeah, about 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock, we hit 45,000, and you were able to make profit. Because I normally get emails from my Bitcoin is about to hit now the position. I'm just checking this, and I just said now that's the last trade that we have for the day. Is about to hit the TP now, and because we got in at I think this day, yeah, in the morning, yes. So the big profit, it's a good one, and we are still hoping for this. So once this one, the Bitcoin hit now, then we are only hoping, we're waiting for the hit from, and we're done for the week, and we'll position again for next week. It's just about to hit now. So did we hit it? Yes. Now let's go back. Which one? The other one, US yen. US yen. This thing was posted on 9th of August in the morning. So it's not that I after then I will not post it. No, I post it. Then after at the end of the week, we'll come back and we'll check it. The last one is the USD yen. Let's quickly just look for USD yen. Yes, USD yen. What was our target? 11030. Did we hit it? I'm not sure if we did, but let's check. When is this? 9th of August. Yes. 9 o'clock. Yeah, it was 9 o'clock when this chart was sent. Did we hit 110? Yeah, we did. 110, yeah, we did at this level. 110, yeah, at this level. So at this level, yeah, and it was, I think we hit the target the next day, I think so. No, that same day, 15 o'clock. So it was that same the 9th of August. This was the yen, USD yen. Did we hit the target? Yes, look at it here. So it wasn't, and I'll tell you, the continuation of the consolidation cannot be good on this one. We saw a rebound on the Bitcoin. I saw a rebound on Bitcoin USD, and I saw the iOS show upside momentum on the US dollar yen, and it's still showing the momentum now. There's a pullback now in this pattern that is building up. It's just a pullback. This is not there's no Amanium, there's no Doji here. So I think it's just a pullback. If I just want to, if I go now to a daily time frame, I can see if actually is a, let's see, okay, it's just a pullback. It's just continuing what it's doing, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, until we see this was the trend. Then I think this is just a little pullback here, and then so there's the the yen, the Aussie USD. Did we hit our target? Yes. Then let's go. I don't take short position. I always send it out for people that take short. I don't like short position. So it gives me that what's it called? That what's it called? Like a gambling mentality. So I know that because of the account balance that I have, I'm able to go long. But people that are trying to build, that's why I send this one out. It's not that nobody's paying me for it. That was what the guy said from Australia. Said he saw that I posted for free on internet, and he went and did his own research and saw that everything that this guy actually posted came to pass. So that was what prompted him to email the company, and they forwarded it to me. I still have the email. Then I spoke with God, and we spoke on Zoom. We had a Zoom meeting. We spoke on Zoom extensively. So we saw ourselves and all that. So this is the same position. Aussie USD 0.7320. Let's quickly just go now. So I'll show you what I want to show you, and then you make your judgment, and so you can be contented with whatever you have. Those people, they don't have money. I told you, anybody that has what's it called, that is showing you account, it's trading account, that goes to show that it doesn't even have it, because if what you have, you are not concerned to show it. Because why are you not showing it? They are already looking for a way to get your money so you can subscribe to them. You think that they are doing well, but they are not doing. They don't have money. They haven't seen anything yet. They don't know what goes on in the market. They can't analyze a chart. Well, which one was I looking for? Now? ZUSD, I think so. ZUSD, yeah. On the sell position, what was our target? 0.7320. 0.7. I'm just going to go now. Where was the date? It's 9th of August, 21 to 2. Yes, 9th of August, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. No? 8 o'clock, yeah. This was when this chart was done. So did we hit our TP? What was our TP again? Let me just get this. Let me go back on 0.7320. 0.7230. 0.732. Yeah, that's it. Let me just be sure. 0.732. Yeah, 320. Yeah, this other one was just look at it here. Did we hit it? Immediately we hit the TP. The take profit for the day. We now saw a continuation of upside. This one was the Aussie USD on the sell position with the target at 0. Let me just make sure it's accurate. 0.7320. Where is it? 0. So the Aussie USD, did we hit our target? This was the Aussie. Sorry, I love Aussie. Australian dollars. I love that pen. Was Euro USD. Sorry. Is it again? We are down. Yeah, we have it. Sell position. I'm not sure. Did we hit this target? I'm not sure if we did, because the trend now is, what is the target? 1.1730. I think we did 1.17. When was the chart sent out? 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, at this level, yeah, you can see the mass cursor now, 8 o'clock, 9th of August 2021. So what was our target? 1.170, 1.170, 1.1772, 1.17. Yeah, we did. Is this level? 1.173 at this level. So it was a short one. It was a little one, but at least you know that you gained something. 1 point. You can say there 1.1732, right? Yeah, 0. 1.12. Yeah. Let me just pull it back a little bit. Yeah. This is it. So we're able to keep a profit, and it's still trading at that level. So this was all the scan. As you can see, you went along with me now, and you saw that everything that I actually posted at both the buy and the sell, I'm on 2 and 3, that's 5 peak, all went according to plan. All of them came to pass. There's no one that said, okay, no, one of them defaulted. Everything came to pass. That's how you know someone that knows what he's doing in the market. Not people that this is the first one is scam, and we all saw it. Everything came according, not just according, but according to how the line was wrong. So if people are sending you some, let them detail what they're doing. And I know where last time I said, I know where to get out from the market. I have my alternative scenario. Once it breaks out of my alternative scenario, I'm out. I know there's a reversal in the market. So that's what gets you prepared. We'll just hit our tipping on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin now, so I just have one left, so I don't need to come and show you my you see now, they will just hit tipping out. So we're out of the Bitcoin now. So left now with so I have my tip where my alternative scenario is. This is not about stop loss. I'm going to, maybe I just want our Instagram, our YouTube channel to go to a certain stage where I can start giving you some lectures and I start showing you how to spot a pattern that is building up and what to do and how to get into the market and how to use like the Fibonacci retrenchment, how to position your entry and your stop loss so that you get, like, that's why I told you, just get the basic knowledge so that when I'm teaching, when I'm doing live on YouTube, then you can understand what this guy is saying, because I don't have that time to pick you from the bottom and start teaching you. I'm very busy, so I don't have that time. So you can do that on your own, get the basic knowledge. There are academy now, like so the UCT in South Africa, there are good schools now, university that even offer like online part-time, like a short course. Do a short course on forex trading, on a reputable school that you know. Even if you are doing it online, be serious about it. Get the knowledge, so that when I'm giving you how to spot a pattern, then you will understand that yes, you now know what you're doing. So even if you're making $5, $1 from the market, you are happy. Like I said, this is not a financial advice. I'm just giving you advice so that you don't fall into depression. If you make 1 cent in the market, you are happy. If you make $50 in the market, you are happy. So then you can build. So you don't fall for these people that are showing you robotic signals, fake accounts on the internet that doesn't even exist. So you are not depressed and saying, is it that I don't know what I'm doing? Is it that I'm not hardworking enough? Is it that these people they have too heavy? No, they don't even know what they're doing. Funny enough, you might be even knowledgeable than them in the forex market, but what they know more than you is how to load their account and then withdraw from a fake account, that the money you just see that withdraw deposit, and then what they do is that they let's assume that this copper now is trading, that's pounds USD. Copper is trading at now 1.38057, and we are seeing like in metal, they'll go now on a 1 minute time frame. They'll just see that long candle that is going to it. So what they do now, they now go and set their trade on their platform, then they will put the trade at 1.7 1.80. They'll just add one pips to it. Then you see they will be showing you like after they have set it on their computer or their this thing, they will show you their phone. Look, it's about to hit. Boom. Then you say, wow, these people, they are making money. I will say, I just made 200,000 rounds in less than 5 minutes. Gross. In this forestry that we are in this market. In this market. In this market that we are in, this forest market. So they will not make you think as if you are not doing well for yourself. But they can't, someone like me, I have said it before, any forest trader that comes online to first of all show his account doesn't know what he's doing. The only time I've showed my account was not, I didn't show my profit. I only showed my, at that day, it was when the Bitcoin collapsed. I think it was so Bitcoin, it was my personal Bitcoin portfolio. So that day, when the Bitcoin collapsed, I had about 16 on my Bitcoin. It was not trading, it was just my personal investment portfolio that I have on my own, that I'm managing on my own. It's not the company's portfolio. I told you I have the company's portfolio. I have my own personal portfolio that I manage, and I also have portfolio for clients that I also manage. This was my own personal portfolio. It was $16,000 on it. That day it was minus. So what I did, I screenshot the minus. There is the loss on that day. I didn't put my balance or my gain on the. I just always screenshot it and posted it on my personal Instagram page. Why I did that on my Facebook. So the reason why I did that, because I was getting a lot of messages from people that with what I know in the market, they don't think that I even have losing streak. So I was trying to enlighten them that no one is 100% perfect in the market. There's some time that you have losses. So I wanted to build their confidence so that they will know that if they are having losses, is part of the plan. They shouldn't look at me and say, wow, what this guy knows, I think he doesn't even have a losing stake. I was trying to enlighten them. That was the only time I posted. It was in my losses, not even my profit. I posted my losses so that people will see, and people will follow me and say, with what this guy analyzed chat and it comes to pass and this, so you think that, wow, this guy doesn't have a losing stake. So I was trying to enlighten them so that when they do, they know that, okay, yes, it's normal. So sometimes when I have a losing streak, I go back and check what I didn't do well, and I write down. If you are spotting, you go to chart. Even if you are not opening the trade, go on chart, spot, go on lower time frame, go on higher time frame. Then you spot a pattern, write it down. If you see I have a lot of books here, my pen, a note that if little things, I write them down. There's always a book, a paper and a pen in front of me. I'll just look at the chart. I spot a pattern that is building, and I write it down on this pair. Then I'll leave it. Then maybe the next day I come back, I'll check. I'll see okay, I wrote down this pattern. Let me check if actually it came to pass. Then I'll go back and see that, oh, this pattern is actually building up accordingly. So I already spotted a pattern there that I will now analyze to open the trade. That's what makes you a good. Don't fall for this quote that say just open your computer, close it, and go and sleep. No, if you are not busy, if you are not reading I'm not reading a book, I'm looking at a scan. I'm just looking at this, spotting whatever I want to spot and write them down, and then go back to, like, I like to spot what's it called, a pattern on a daily time frame, because it gives me the confidence, and it is like I'm able to see the clear pattern and clear vision of what is building. So if it closes today on a daily time with this candle, I wait for the next day to see what pattern is building with the other candle, so I can be sure. Then I'll go back to my 1 hour time frame to execute a trade. So that's what I will enlighten you. So don't fall for this people. So let's just go now. I will also post the link below, so you can go and check the video, so you don't fall for these guys. This was one of the. I hope you can see this. Okay, this guy, Mati. His name is Logic FS. He exposes all those boys. So the other one they expose is from South Africa as well. If you see what this is the guy that exposes them, gurus. Just go gurus of MT4. He said he contacted me on DMs via Reddit to remove the post here. As soon as he's in IGDN, I asked him to show his metaphor live on Mac. You know, there's something you can manipulate on those computer and the phone and all that. You can manipulate it on a Mac PC. So he said I asked him to show me the live Mac video desktop, which cannot be tampered with, as the data is server-sided. Adam prolonged it, made excuses, and off didn't show it, but it taking the initiative to attempt to prove himself. He contacted me on Reddit with Snapchat or phone call and his SA account and all that. This is one of the videos. Can you hear me? This thing is mute. So okay. So this is one of I'm going to post the link. So this is the one I wanted to show you. This is the most important on the guy. This was also a lady as scam users. Her name is Talking Option. So you can also go. This exposes. This is what I want actually. This is how they do the manipulate the.
So this is what you want to do is you want to.
Okay. Before I go on this one is like 6 minutes, 7 minutes video. So this is how they do it. But I want to show you. This one will be better. Then I will show you the other ones. But you can just go on the link. I'm going to post the link. This is the one that actually the guy from Australia sent me. Sent me this link and said, watch this. This guy is also the guru exposes all those empty for. So I'm just going to let's watch this short clip. It's about 6 minutes. Then I'll post all the link with the video once I post it on YouTube, so you can go and check it out yourself. But I just want to play this one. Then the other one is how to. I don't want to add this one to my video because this one is how they install it on their phone. This link is how they install it on their phone. But I'm going to post this link as well with the video. But I'm not going to play this video. But I just want to play this particular one so you have a better understanding, so you can relax yourself. I hope this thing is showing so you can relax yourself and be making what you're making in the market and be contented with it. Don't fall for this guy. The only thing they survive with is your what's it called, your subscription, where you subscribe to their channel and all that. I told you I don't have that time. To now open an academy or the robotic signal don't work. So the only way they can convince you to come and buy their robotic signal is when they show you fake accounts. So this video is here to expose them. I don't have right to this video. This the author of this video, the person that did this video, is the Guru Exposed. So you can go and check it out. But I'm going to play it now. So let's watch it and sit back and watch it. After this, I'll post it on this thing, then send out the YouTube. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, so you can be getting accurate free signals. I don't charge any. I get a lot of DMs. I don't respond to DMs. I told them before, I don't respond to DMs on my this, just because to avoid fraud, because people were cloning using my picture and all that to scam. So I told them I don't respond to DMs on my personal page. The only people I respond to on my DM are people that I'm following, that we are following each other, that we know one-on-one. Then I respond to them on DM. But people that are following me that I'm not following, if you send me a DM, what I advise is go to the company's website, email the company. If you want to speak to me, indicate it on the email, then they will forward it to me. But if you want to speak to me, maybe you are looking for information, then the company can respond to you directly. But if you want to speak to me, then you can email the company, then they will forward it. Then you have my personal email account, so you can have me. But one thing I want you to know is that I don't have time to teach you. I don't charge anybody for any for subscription, or I don't sell robots. They don't work, so I don't sell robots. I don't give classes one-on-one to people that I don't know. And what is it again? Yeah, that's it. I don't invest that. I told you, I said our company, For a company to build a portfolio for you, you must be someone that I have met one-on-one, and the company have met you one-on-one. So even if you are not in my area, you must look for someone that can represent you, that will speak to the people that will now have a Zoom call, so that I can also enlighten you on long-term investment. Because I've told you people, Forex alone cannot give you what you're looking for. So you need to know how to now move money now into compound investment, where you now build wealth for yourself. That's what I'm trying to build. That's what I'm trying to enlighten the youth about. I don't want you to come give me money. You can do everything yourself. You can go look for a reputable broker that can assist you in doing all that. So let's play this video now. Let's enjoy this video so you enlighten yourself.
It's got a few bits and pieces on it that I didn't want people to see, and secondly, Tom said shorten it up big time. So I will do. Okay, so we're logged into MT4 Manager at the moment. This is a live version of this. So if I make myself an account and web, all right. I'll delete that off there, but later, but nothing on there. And I've also made myself another one called Adam FX. All right, which is sitting in there, and that's got 46 grand in it. But you can also see the history. Let's just do that the last 3 days. And if we go into the phone, which I'll just sorry, I don't want you pearls looking at my doors. Right, okay, so here you go. You can see this account is live. I don't want to expose what broker it is we're using, but you can see it's real, because we don't want, and I can kind of put any trades in. You'll see what's going on today. You'll see that matches. So let's just let's do some things. Okay, so first of all, let's put a new order in the market. So what have we got going on here? Let's sell 1,000 cable. Actually, give myself some more money first. Just keep it quick. So this, just while I'm doing this, there's hundreds of these servers. They're all over the place. All of these guys just either rent them. They're brokers that are fronting, that are false brokers. There's literally hundreds of these. So let's make a deposit. We'll go in here. Let's put $1 million in the account. So let's go full Astro. And we just give this a code. So deposit. Put this code in here. OK. ZHZC. Bosh. There we go. There's a mill. So let's just check this down on here. See if that mill's right. Remember it was 46 grand. So take that up here. There we go. So where's that deposit? So let's have a quick look here. The balance has now got the mill in it. Let's just have a quick look there. The original deposit of this was half a mil, I think, but you can see here I've just put an extra mill in, right, just to keep it going. Right, so let's now do that trade. So we'll go back here, Adam FX. Here's the trade. We'll go here, and I can now go, right, 1,000 lots. So what was the high in cable today? 123.60. Okay, so it's just that's 123.60, and we'll sell there. Done. Bosh. Right, so I've already made 662 grand on this already. So I'll see if that's represented on the phone. It's really annoying for some strange reason when this does this, it catches. That's it again. Right, okay, sorry about this. But you can see if we go here, open positions, there's that cable position there with the 651.
I just made 600,000 now.
Okay. I'll move this to another screen to again, I apologise. Right, we're back in again. So Adam FX. Like I said, there is a much longer video. You can see the trade here. So if I wanted to, I can go in, look at that trade here. You can see I can adjust my stop loss. I can even modify where I'm in, and I can even take profit and move my stops as well, which you see that being done all the time. I can close that now. Actually, what I'll do is I'll close on the phone, so you can just see it closed down on the phone. So I'll just hold my finger over it here, so you know it's all live. Close order. Take profit 663 grand. Oh, so there you go. Change straight away on the screen that you're looking at as well. So there you go. I can do anything I want. Got an account here that I made for Tom Dante, which has got the logins. There we go. That's I think I call it Tom D. Yeah, Tom D. He's got 10 million already. Let's give him another 5 mil.
I'm just going to show you guys something. If you see where my mouse cursor is, you see there's what's it called? Withdrawal and deposit. That's where they do the withdrawal and where they put the deposit. So once they click on the withdrawal, it shows them, okay, you see now deposit or withdrawal. So it shows you, okay, you want to deposit or you want to withdraw. So that's what they use for you. So you don't see, once you put the money here now, you see you either click deposit or you click withdrawal. So that's why you see on their phone that they are able to manipulate you and say, yes, I just made a withdrawal, I just made money and now I'm making a withdrawal. You understand what I'm saying? So that's what they use. So let's just finish this video.
Deposit, put the code in, AQQ.
You see, once you put the amount, it asks you, is it deposit or withdrawal? So whichever one you choose is, once you say withdraw, then it shows on your MT4, the one they showed to you that, yes, I just made a withdrawal. So I'm doing all this thing not to belittle to anyone, but just to, because after that conversation, I still get shocked when I remember the conversation I had with that person, because that person was very depressed. And what if that leads to someone committing suicide? In the quest of you coming to look for money, now you are now depressed and committing suicide. The world alone already is already a chaotic place. So we need to make things better for people. We need to allow these people that are coming into forest now have a better understanding. That's why you see now in Africa, you see anybody, if you take a sensor now and do a research, you will see that if you ask the 100 kids about forest, or like 100 persons about, they'll tell you that forest is a scam. Why? Because of people like this. They show you that they've made money, then you come and subscribe with them, and at the end of the day, you put your money together, hoping that you're going to make profit, because they don't show you this. They know themselves. They are their group, the people that are chasing forest and all that. They know where they are from in South Africa. They know their group and they know what all these things. So they won't tell you that it's coming on. What they are selling to you is their robot or their academy, or they subscribe to their channel. So you'll be paying them, and at the end of the day, you lose your money and you go back to say, no, forest is a scam. My brother, my sister, my friend, forest is not a scam. There's a lot of money in the market, but you need to go through the right source. Look, learn the basic knowledge yourself, learn it yourself, and do research. And then it's easier for people like us when we send out signals on Instagram. It's easier for you to go pick and analyze, like what I just showed you now on the chart that we did this week. So you see that everything everything went according to plan. It's not a guesswork. It's not that, okay, it has already happened. No, I did it before it happens. So let me just finish this video now. Speak to you for a few minutes.
Tom will log in, and you can see that he'll have 15 minutes instead of the 10 mil next time he logs in. All right, dead easy. Anything else? Oh, if you want to also see that you've proved kind of when people say, oh, you've got your working orders, that's just quick to do that. So Adam FX. All the time, by the way, nothing's changed here, all still real, okay? Nothing's changed, all real. You're like a superhero. Go new order. Let's go sell 100 cable. And we'll sell 100 cable out there. Sell 127, right? And actually, no, we'll sell them. The market's now 122.90. Let's do it at 123.10. So it's not miles away. So you'll see the entrance here. So if we go now, change the piece. There you go. If I just.
Already set orders and show it to you and say yes. About to eat. He's about to eat.
Well, the orders at 123.10. There you go. Complete and utter con. These servers are everywhere. They're not expensive to rent. These guys are all over. There's that trade. I can go into it here, open it up, bring it here, I can close it. Bosh, bank the money, money's in there. So if we go now back to this, you can see the profits I've just made on that, and the 1.73, the 1 mil I deposited, the 46k that was already there, the 600 grand just made in 10 minutes faking the cable, and also the one we just made just turning over 26 on the 100 lot just for the demo. But basically, you set one of these up, you're 100% legit, you can have any balance you want, any control you want, and really, this is wholesale global scam that's there to capture pretty much anyone that thinks this shit's real. Well, I've been told I've got to make this video.
Okay, now you've seen it for yourself. There are other videos. This I won't play this one. You can I'll post the link, or you can message. I'll post the link. These are the tutorial step by step on how they download the app on their phone and how they use it. So I don't encourage this. So I'm not going to play this one on my YouTube. This one just exposes them. That's why I wanted to. Even this lady, I'm going to post this as well. She was also showing them proof of how they all manipulate their distance. So you see for yourself. You don't need this. Look at what I just showed you now. So you don't. Let me just exit this. What's it called? Stop this share so you can see me. So you see what I'm saying, my friend. And first is not a scam, but people that are in it are now making people that are coming up think that the forex market is a scam, but it's not a scam. People are making money from forex. These people that are doing this, that are showing you this, they are not making any money from the market. They are only making money from you that wants to subscribe to their fake channel, because why? They are able to show you a fake account that is not free. Now you've seen the video yourself. You've watched it now, and now I believe that it will enlighten you so that you don't fall into depression. What I'm more concerned about is that people that are coming to forex to make a living and to make life better for themselves now are not the one falling into depression, because why? They see what is not way online and they want to meet up with people like that. Actually, if you know what you're doing, come and analyze the chat for me. Let's sit down. If you want to do it soon, let's do it soon. Sit down and tell me what you're seeing in the market and what you think is going to happen. And let's go and see how it goes. There's a lot of, if you put in your hard work, like I said, this is not a financial advice. When you put in your hard work in the market, you'll get what you're looking for. So you now move from this stage of this kid that are showing you, actually anybody that's showing you account balance online doesn't have the money. It's just fronting. Now you've seen the video on how they do it and the app that they are using to do it. This thing is rampant now in South Africa. They are very rampant in Africa. So you see them, they show you, wow, this person just made 1 million. This person just turned $30. This person just turned $200 into 10 million. Now, but there's no proof of where you went to the bank to withdraw it. If you want to, if I want to withdraw money from our brokerage account, it has to go to our bank, to the company's bank. We move, do a withdrawal. It goes to the bank. And the statement, it shows on the statement that yes, this money came from the bank, and then we're moving it now to our investment account, and then we'll build from there. So it's not, you people are showing you that they made, but there's no proof, there's no evidence that yes, the bank, if you're making that money from the bank would have come to you and said, they would have even listed you on Forbes, not this one that now you see media houses. I don't know who did that. The guy sent me the link about someone that did and said listing the 5 the richest forex trader, young trader in Africa, South Africa. You see them. What they do now is they go to Dubai, they go take pictures with pickers and come back and start posting it. And you see they are doing well. They are just playing on you. Why I'm against this is this, because now people that because we have a lot of talented, we have a lot of intelligent youth in Africa that can take this market and take it to the next level. They'll take it with storm. Like we have intelligent guys. So now if you are discouraging those intelligent guys that can come into the market and make legit money for themselves, it's not right, because why they come in what you are interested in. You are not interested in their welfare. What you're interested in is how to deceive them with your fake MT4 account balance. Now, for them to give you money to subscribe to either buy a robotic signal that doesn't work, then they blow their account, then they go back to square one and say, no, first this scam, I tried it before, it did not work for me. Then you go back and then you are depressed and all that. Money you came with is gone. The money you paid someone, it doesn't even care. What he's after is to show you that, yeah, I just made this thing, this $5,000 now in less than 6 minutes. This is the video that I just played to you now. The link is also, I'll post it so that you can share it yourself. So that's what I just wanted to show you guys this morning today. What's it called? 13th of August, because I need to go see my doctor now, but I'm not feeling that way. I think I've not rested since when I came back from where I went to work for my vacation. That's been work. I think it's telling on me. So I think they just signal now that it's time for my appointment. So I just want to advise you people. First, there's a lot of money in the market. I would like to you. There's a lot of money in the market. And like I said, it's not a financial advice, but there's a lot of money in the market. Do your own work. Don't fall for these guys. They don't have money. If they say they know what they are doing in the market, let them come and analyze the chart for you. When after they have set up their what's it called? Their fake MT4 on their on their phone, and then you think that they are making profit. This is what we are entered now. We are saying we're going from it's our TP $5 million in less than 15 minutes. Can you beat that? Even Warren Buffett cannot beat it. The greatest investor of all time, Warren Buffett, cannot beat that. Yeah, so we need to give you that accolade. You are the best in the world. That's why you see people now, the kids now, they are looking up to them, and they come into the market with that mindset. And then you see them, you blow your account, then you go back to square one. You go back to the drawing board now, you're depressed and say, no, first this scam. I tried it before, it did not work. Please, this thing needs to stop. I'm just concerned about the people that are coming into the market with that mindset of coming to deceive people. They are all rampant. They know themselves. They have their group. They have their cliques. So the way they make their money is through you, that they are able to deceive. Then you give them maybe 5,000 rands, 10,000 rands. If they get that from 10 people, at least they have already made 100,000 rands, so they can go and buy a car or make 10,000. You see people, you go and bring money, they want to invest for you. You go and bring money to come out. They want to teach you the market. How can you teach someone what you don't know? You only teach someone what you know. You can't teach someone what you don't know. So how can you teach someone the forex trading when you don't even know what is going on in the market? So this thing, I think this message will go to the right people. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I just want to grow the YouTube channel to a certain stage. Then I can now start doing taking one some hours in a week. I'll just come online live, then ask you to take a pen and a book, then I'll show you some patterns that you need to be checking out, looking for, and be spotting in the market. So that will give you the entry and exit point, so you know what you're doing, so you don't fall for these people. So I hope this message gets to you. Well, today's Friday, and it's the end of the week. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I hope that your week was profitable. I'll speak to you again on Monday. I'll speak to you again next week, and have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye for now.